we've got several songs in the works right now, and we're wanting to get back in the studio here soon. Within the next year, we want to get in the studio. So
Fabulous.
this one here is called "Left Out in the Rain." Clouds keep hanging around. I wish the sun would come out. There ain't a shadow of a doubt. She left me with the blues. She had more bite than bark, and after breaking my heart, she left me in the front yard with the daily news. And I wish I was in a doghouse. That would be a whole lot better. I wish I was in a doghouse, because this damn weather is making me feel even more low down, howling about the pain. Kinda like a blue tick hound that's been left out in the rain. Came home late last night, which led to one last fight. And I don't know who was right, but I guess she's keeping the house. It's too much time getting stoned. Now I'm out here all alone, just a dog without a bone. Ever since she threw me out, and I wish I was in a doghouse. That would be a whole lot better. I wish I was in a doghouse, because this damn weather is making me feel even more low down, howling about the pain. Kinda like a blue tick hound that's been left out in the rain. I feel like a blue tick hound, I've been left out in the rain. Thank you very much.
I love it.
I do too.